In the left corner, a Royal Pro Series weighing in at 158 nozzle CFM. In the right corner, a Kirby Avalier weighing in at 150 CFM. They both have very similar levels of nozzle suction, but their nozzle heights are definitely different. So how about we do a fun test where we put flour and sand under the carpet, do 2 full passes, and see if we can declare a winner. Both of these are fabulous machines. They're classic machines. An unbelievably old direct air design is shared somewhat equally between both of them with just small differences, and they both have HEPA bags. I gotta try my best to get equal amounts of flour and sand down. Won't that be fun? So flour is pretty easy for both of these machines to get up off of the carpet. But sand, that's much tougher. That is much, much tougher. So I'm going to take it relatively easy with the sand. Flour just isn't that difficult. Not for these Titans, it isn't. I got a little smattering here. This is a test that low CFM bagless machines just don't do well on at all. Okay, I think I've got that more or less lined up with the nozzles. Gotta move the Kirby over a little bit more. Wasn't quite centered. And let's see where we have the Royal. The Royal is centered. All right, I think you can see everything. Two passes. We'll go ahead and do the Kirby first. I'm going to set the proper nozzle height for medium pile flow through Mohawk carpet. That is position 3, or 4 notches down from the top. Now we have the Royal Pro Series. This is 2 clicks down from the top. So I have lower nozzle, and turn it on. Now I'm going to move these guys off to the side. Let's see the results. Pretty much the same. Might be a slight difference. They're very, very similar. Let me move the camera closer. Change the focus a bit. So the flour, yeah, the flour is gone. there's no issue with the flour. Both of them just eat that flour up just like it's nobody's business. On the left here, you see with the Royal, you got a little pile of sand. It's drug back a little bit. And you have, I think you can see that, a little bit that kind of clogged the carpet fibers, not much. And over on the right, it's very similar results. It really is only just a little bit better. So the Kirby's nozzle, since it jams farther down into the carpet, has higher airflow, as you saw in previous videos. So you've got a tiny bit of clogging right here. It's a little bit less than the Royal. And obviously you have some just kind of hanging out on the concrete. So it's just a little bit less. They both are titans. They both are kings of the airflow, to be sure. And they both do an absolutely fantastic job. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.